English Spark channel. This is the place where we make mastering English simple and fun. I'm your host, Emily.
And I'm Liam. It's fantastic to be back here with all of our amazing listeners. We're so glad you're joining us today.
We have an incredibly valuable episode coming up.
Yeah.
We'll be talking about a powerful way to boost your fluency that's always available to you.
That sounds great.
Yay.
It's all about making learning easy and accessible, which is what we love to do here at English Spark. So Emily, how are you doing today?
I'm feeling really refreshed. Yeah.
I had a nice quiet morning with my tea and a good book.
That sounds truly perfect, Liam. A peaceful morning is the best way to start.
I'm doing very well, thank you.
I'm excited because today's topic is a powerful one.
Ooh, a powerful topic. You mentioned it's a simple yet highly effective way to learn. I'm very curious to hear the details.
It's something everyone can do every single day without needing a book or an expensive class.
Yes.
It just requires you to look at your own life.
My life.
Okay, I certainly have one of those. That sounds very intriguing and frankly much easier than traditional studying.
That's the point.
Yeah.
This method is something available to you without fail.
Yeah.
You don't need special equipment or a lot of money.
Yeah.
You just need to focus on what you already do.
Yeah.
Your daily actions are the perfect raw material for practicing real relevant English.
That's a brilliant idea.
Yeah.
It takes the pressure off finding time to study and turns learning into application. We do.
If you enjoy our English Spark podcast and are learning with us, and please take just a moment to give us a like or a thumbs up.
Yes, that little button helps us a lot.
Yes.
It allows more English learners to discover our show.
Yes.
And please make sure you subscribe to the English Spark channel so you don't miss any of our new episodes.
Absolutely. Finally, if you have a friend who is also on their English learning journey, please share this episode with them. We want to help everyone.
It's Emily. I am ready. My life is now my English teacher.
What's the starting point? We are going to start with the most basic element of your day.
Yeah.
Or your daily routine.
My daily routine.
Yeah.
You mean the sequence of things like when I wake up, when I eat, when
Yeah.
I go to work, all those small, consistent things?
Exactly.
Yeah.
These are the simplest, most immediately useful words and phrases you can learn.
Okay. So simple sentences like, I wake up,
Right.
I brush my teeth, and I drink coffee.
Yes, those sentences are perfect.
Yeah.
Our very first tip is to write these things down. You can use a dedicated English notebook, or you can simply use the Notes app on your phone.
Yeah.
Whatever is easiest for you.
So in the morning, I can sit with my coffee and write.
Right.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I have breakfast. I go to work. Why is this simple writing exercise so effective?
It seems very basic.
It is basic, but that is its power.
Yeah.
When you do this, you are actively organizing your thoughts directly in English. You are not translating from your native language.
Okay.
You are forcing your brain to think in English from the start.
I see.
Right.
And I'm instantly practicing vocabulary that is relevant and useful for me personally.
You don't need the word for spaceship.
Yeah.
You need the word for bus.
I take the bus to work.
It's a perfect, useful sentence.
Okay, I have my notebook and I've written my simple sentences.
Mm-hmm. What comes next in the process? Now you must talk. Our next essential tip is to read what you wrote out loud.
Read my own sentences out loud.
That makes sense.
It engages a different part of the learning process.
This is a very important combination.
Yes.
First, you use your eyes and hand to write.
Yes.
Then you use your mouth and ears to speak and listen.
Writing and speaking.
Yeah.
Two skills at the same time.
Yeah. That must be great for memory. It connects the words in your brain and helps you practice pronunciation and builds your speaking confidence.
Yes.
That's smart.
I write, I have breakfast, and then I say it.
I can hear my own English.
I can easily do this in the morning.
Yes.
What about at night before I go to sleep?
Yeah. Is there something good for the evening? At night is the perfect time for our next big tip.
Yeah.
You do the same thing, but you use the past tense. Oh, like reflecting on what I did today. Yes. You take a few minutes and think, what did I do today?
Yeah.
You are reviewing your entire day using the past tense.
Okay. So in the morning, I wrote, I go to work.
Mm-hmm.
At night, I wrote, I went to work.
Liam, that is absolutely perfect. You are a star student.
Yeah.
Or in the morning, I ate breakfast.
See, I am naturally practicing the simple past tense.
Yeah.
And I'm not trying to memorize rules. I'm just telling the story of my day.
That's the secret way.
You are internalizing the grammar structure naturally, simply by using it in a relevant context.
Yeah. Wow, this is a really good idea.
Yeah.
So I can write, today I woke up early, I went to the gym, I watched a movie.
That is a perfect summary.
Yeah.
And you just use 3 different past tense verbs in a single exercise.
That's fantastic progress.
This makes the language feel immediately useful and applicable to your real life.
I feel much more confident about doing this daily.
Yes.
It connects the dots between my life and the language.
That's a very common problem, but this doesn't need to take long.
Yeah.
Our next tip is to make it a daily habit.
A habit like brushing my teeth.
Something I do without even thinking.
Sure.
Exactly. It must be easy to access.
Yeah.
Maybe you can put your English notebook right next to your bedside lamp or your coffee machine. That's very smart.
A visual cue. I make coffee, I see the notebook, I write my sentences, no excuses.
The important thing is to do it every day.
Yeah.
Even very short, simple sentences daily are much more effective than a long, difficult session once a week.
Nice.
That's so true.
A little bit of practice every day consistently, it really builds confidence over time.
It really does.
Yeah.
And when you first start, it is 100% okay if your sentences are very, very short.
Like I wake up, I eat, I work, I sleep.
Is that okay? Yes, that simple list is a perfect start.
Mm-hmm.
Our next tip is to repeat and evolve. You mean start simple and then add more words?
Exactly.
You add more details.
Exactly.
For example, in week 1, you write, I had breakfast.
Okay.
Simple.
I had breakfast.
Good. In week 2, you add what you ate.
Mm-hmm.
I had breakfast. I ate toast and an egg.
So,
I see.
And then in week 3, I add why or how I ate.
Perfect.
Yeah.
For example, I had a quick breakfast because I was late for the meeting.
Wow. That is a much, much better sentence. Useful and more complex.
Yes. It is. You went from I work to I had a busy morning because I had 2 meetings naturally.
Yeah. I really love this approach.
Yes.
I feel like this is something I can actually stick with.
You absolutely can. Now we have one more fun and very effective tip. This one is amazing for seeing your progress.
Seeing my progress, how much I've learned.
Exactly. Our final tip is to use your phone to record your voice.
Oh, I don't know. I really don't like hearing my voice in English.
I know. But it is so, so helpful and you don't have to show anyone. It's a secret for you.
What do you record?
You just record yourself describing your day just like you wrote it.
Hello.
Today is Wednesday and I went to work. I ate salad for lunch.
And come back to try time Ed.
Okay.
I can do that. I'll make a small audio recording maybe once a week. So I have all these recordings saved.
What's the next step? Then after 1 month or 2 months, you listen to your very first recording from week 1.
Yeah.
And then you listen to your newest one.
Yeah. I can directly compare them. That's amazing motivation.
You will be so surprised.
Yeah.
You will hear that your speaking is faster, your voice is more natural, and your pronunciation has improved.
Emily, these tips are absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
They are simple, but truly powerful.
They really are. And anyone can do this. You don't need money or a lot of time.
Yeah.
You just need your routine and a notebook. Our main message is this. Speaking about your own life is the fastest way to learn real functional English.
That is so true.
Yeah.
Talk about you, your job, your food,
your family, your day. Yes. So let your routine become your best English teacher. Thank you all for listening to English Spark today. And here is your challenge. In the comments below, please tell us what you did this morning or what you will do tonight. Just write 1 or 2 simple sentences.